If you have dark circles under your eyes, you have probably tried everything to get rid of them. Cucumbers, tea bags, eye patches, expensive creams that promise miracle results, but nothing has worked. And here is why. Most people are treating the symptoms instead of getting to the root cause of why dark circles appear in the first place. They're putting a band-aid on a structural problem. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's actually going on under your skin, why it's happening, and what you can actually do about it. There are 7 different reasons of why dark circles under the eyes appear. Some of them you can fix, some of them you can improve, and about some of them, unfortunately, you can't do anything about them. But before we get into the 7 reasons, you need to first understand why the skin under your eyes is so vulnerable. The skin under your eyes has only 6 cellular layers. Compare that to your forearm that has 18 layers, or your heels that have 86 layers. Think about the difference. The skin on your heels is like a very thick winter coat, and the skin under your eyes is like a very, very thin curtain. On top of that, there is practically no subcutaneous fat layer under your eye area. And fat normally acts like a cushion. It hides imperfections, it gives your skin a healthy appearance. But under the eyes, this cushioning basically doesn't exist. So you have paper-thin skin with no protective fat layer underneath it. And that is why every change in blood flow, in blood circulation, shows up under the eye area immediately. Every broken capillary and every bit of discoloration is on full display. Let's get through the 7 reasons of why this happens. Reason number 1, oxygen deficiency in your tissues. So here is what happens. Hemoglobin, and I'm hoping to pronounce this correctly, is a molecule in your red blood cells that carries oxygen. When it carries enough oxygen, your blood appears to be bright red. And when it carries not enough oxygen, then it turns violet purple. Because your under eye skin is so thin that purple blue blood then shows through and becomes visible as dark circles under your eyes. So why isn't hemoglobin binding oxygen sufficiently? The first reason is chronic fatigue, being constantly sleep deprived and tired. When you don't get enough sleep over months and years, your body just becomes chronically depleted. Your blood flow slows down and becomes sluggish, and when blood flow is weak, oxygen cannot be delivered effectively to your tissues. The second reason is you are spending too much time indoors. Your red blood cells don't have enough oxygen to transport. Over years, dark purple blood then accumulates and keeps showing up as dark circles under your eyes. These first 2 reasons you can easily fix. Sleeping more, resting more, and just spending more time outdoors, getting fresh air and breathing better. Let's move on to reason number 2 of dark circles, and that is screen time and eye strain. When you stare at a screen for hours without break, blood flow around your eyes just gets disrupted. Blood starts to pool in the tiny capillaries under your eyes. It begins to stagnate, and when blood stagnates, it turns dark. This one, again, you can fix. Take regular breaks from your computer, from working, from screens, look away every hour, do some eye exercises, give your eyes a chance to rest. That will then allow the blood flow to normalize to the area and refresh the blood in your capillaries. Reason number 3, nicotine and alcohol. And I don't want to be the police here destroying your fun. I'm just here to inform you that these substances, alcohol and nicotine, they damage the walls of your blood vessels. When you drink and smoke regularly, the walls of your blood vessels get damaged, which causes microhemorrhages. Again, sorry pronunciation, basically bleeding events under your eyes show through straight away as dark circles. This one you can fix too. You can stop drinking, stop smoking, or at least reduce your smoking and alcohol intake, and that will give your blood vessels time to recover and to heal. Let's move on to reason number 4, which is aging and structural changes in your body. As you age, your neck vertebra can shift out of alignment, and also your neck muscles get tight. And these structural changes, also in terms of posture, cause that the blood flow towards your face and towards your eyes is disrupted. Then again, your capillaries just get more weak and more fragile. Basically, dark venous blood starts to accumulate and pool under the eye area. This is what creates that darkness that shines through that thin skin under your eyes. The good news is you can improve this. Facial massage techniques can help. Gua sha, facial cupping, facial massage with your hands as I teach it will affect the appearance and the brightening of the under eye area. Also, can focus on exercises that remove and release tension from your neck, improve your posture, bring your head back, and release all of this tension in your neck that causes this compression that doesn't allow enough sufficient blood to flow up into your face, nourishing your whole face, including your eye area. With age in general, the skin just becomes a little bit thinner as well. So all of the reasons that I already stated up until this point, it's even more important to make sure that you get enough sleep, you get enough oxygen, and that you keep the blood flow through physical manual work, through massaging, fixing your posture, that you keep all of this in check so that you have as little dark venous blood pooling under your eyes as possible, because it's getting more and more easily visible as the skin gets thinner under your eyes with age. Now let's move on to reason number 5, which is genetics, basically. So if your parents or your grandparents have dark circles under the eyes, then there is a chance that you have inherited that trait. Unfortunately, you can look at old childhood pictures of yourself and see whether you notice your old photos showing shadows under the eyes. If you already had dark circles at 5 years of age, then it's not from your lifestyle choices that you have dark circles now, it's from inheritance, from genetics. And unfortunately, this one you can't fix just naturally at home, because you were born with a genetic predisposition to hyperpigmentation under your eye area. So the best thing you can do is to stop blaming yourself, stop blaming your lifestyle. Maybe some brightening under eye products in this case can help, but I am doubtful of how potent really all these brightening creams are when it comes to inherited hyperpigmentation under the eye area. But this is something you can discuss with your dermatologist. And with this, let's move on to reason number 6, which is anatomical features. So if you have deep set eyes, that means that they just sit further back inside your skull. This creates a natural hollow around the eyes where then shadows can form. Light just falls differently on your eyes, and that makes the optical illusions of shadows under your eyes. But this is not pigmentation or a blood flow issue. This is just physics. This is just how light falls onto your face and creates this optical illusion. Another anatomic feature that falls under this 6th reason category is that some people are just born with exceptionally thin skin under the eyes. If you have been born with very, very thin under eye skin, then any blood circulation issue will just show up so much faster for you under your eyes than for someone else that has just been born with a little bit thicker skin under the eyes. No amount of massage, no amount of creams is gonna change the anatomic bone structure of your face or the thinness of your skin under your eyes. And in that case, it's even more important for you to make sure that you keep all your lifestyle choices in check and keep your blood well oxygenated, bring fresh blood flow to your face, and make sure that your neck is uncompressed so that blood flow functions properly between the rest of your body and your face. And now, last but not least, reason number 7 are underlying medical conditions. If dark circles appear suddenly within weeks or months without any apparent reason, that's a red flag. Conditions around the liver, the kidneys, the heart, the lungs, the endocrine system, so the hormones, can all affect the under eye area as dark circles as a symptom. Many conditions in these organs affect metabolic processes in the body and create internal toxicity, which then shows up as visible dark circles under the eyes. And so this is something that requires medical attention. You will not fix this this alone at home. If your dark circles appeared out of nowhere or appeared very quickly, then my advice is to go and seek medical assistance as soon as possible. Do not ignore this. So now that we have spoken about all of the 7 reasons of dark circles, you can figure out which category you fall in. Maybe you fall in a couple of categories. Now you know what to do and how you can fix it without having to spend unnecessary money on treatments or on creams or just doing the wrong things that are not gonna be helpful for the exact reason of why you have dark circles. At this point, I just want to quickly summarize. If your dark circles come from reasons number 1, 2, and 3, then your solution is not cosmetic. It's lifestyle habits and changes that you need to take. No eye patches, no filler, and no injection is going to saturate your blood with oxygen or repair damaged blood vessels. So you have to address the root cause, changing your lifestyle choices, less alcohol, less smoking, more sleeping, more spending time outdoors, and breathing fresh air. If your dark circles are from aging and structural changes, then you can improve them. What will help here is facial massage, fixing your posture, improving the smoothness and relaxation of the muscles in your neck. And all of this is going to make a noticeable difference in the area of your under eyes, improving your dark circles. If your dark circles are from reason number 5 or 6, genetics or bone structure, then you simply need to accept them. If you absolutely cannot accept them, then you can see a dermatologist and talk about the possibility of having some filler injected to buffer this area a little and make the appearance of your dark circles less. To remember that every cosmetic procedure bears its risks, so I don't want you to make this decision light-heartedly. You know the reasons for why you have dark circles, know your options, and make a very informed decision if you really want to go that path. And lastly, if your reason for your dark circles is number 7, then you gotta see a doctor immediately. The most important thing is to know which reason applies to you so that you don't waste time and money on solutions that don't apply to your specific situation. In any case, everyone is going to improve the dark circles, at least to some extent, by more fresh air, facial massage, to improve the blood flow to this area, as well as neck exercises, neck stretches, and neck massage. And so I will link 2 videos here, one neck massage video and one eye area massage video for you, so you can try those routines in addition to your lifestyle changes. As always, all of my deep dive programs are linked in the description below if you want to go real pro and go deeper with me as your guide. I hope to see you there.